ही स्लाइड दिसते का?
No, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So due to power failure, we have lost connection. Anyway, so these three types we have discussed. Then this table is important one. All these points are written here. These are vector factors for zigzag, armchair, and helical angles and chirality, that is symmetry. This is important one. And last part is applications. Okay. So all these things we have discussed in detail. We practice of it. Okay, so only 18 students have joined. What happens? I don't know. Okay, so this is our last one. What we have discussed. We will revise just things we have started. We have started with the first chapter, that is semiconductor physics. Then we have completed the next one, that is crystallography. Then sound engineering. So here relativistic mechanics is skipped from our syllabus. Then next section, wave optics. In that diffraction part we have completed, polarization is skipped. Then next laser we have completed, optical fibers and introduction to quantum mechanics and nanotechnology. So these things we have covered. So one by one we will check. In semiconductor physics, classification of solids, that is insulators, semiconductors and conductors point we have completed. Then Fermi level, what is meant by Fermi level, and Fermi Dirac probability distribution function. So can anybody tell what is the equation of Fermi Dirac probability distribution function?
F is equal to E by 2.
F is equal to Fermi Dirac probability distribution function equation is, what is the equation? F of E is equal to can anybody tell? Slide is visible to you, or can we get disconnected once again?
No, sir. This thing.
कोण सांगेल? Fermi Dirac's equation F of E is equal to
1 upon 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt.
Okay, so just we are revising the things. I hope that I have told you in few lectures before that start preparation of each and every MCQ, because now you have to handle all chapters at a time in your final exam. Okay, तर आपण IIC 1 घेतली, त्यात 2 चॅप्टर्स आपले परफेक्ट झालेत. IIC 2 घेतली, त्यात ते 2 चॅप्टर्स आपले परफेक्ट झालेत. तर IIC 3 जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपण मगाशी ठरवलं त्यानुसार आपण चॅप्टर्स आपण ठेवलेले. ठीक आहे. तर फर्स्ट चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण हे पॉईंट्स बघितले. देन फर्मी लेवल इन इंट्रेन्सिक अँड एक्सट्रेन्सिक, इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑन फर्मी लेवल, derivation for Fermi level, Hall effect, its application. In next one, that is crystallography, we have discussed different points starting with the crystalline and amorphous material, then 7 systems, then what is meant by number of atoms per unit cell, atomic radius, coordination number, atomic packing factor, white space, density of crystal, etc. Then symmetry elements, in that axis center plane of symmetry, Bragg's law, 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda. Then Miller indices, interplanar distance derivation, d is equal to a divided by under root h square plus k square plus l square. Then next chapter, that is sound engineering, in that acoustics and ultrasonic point we have covered. For acoustics, reverberation, time of reverberation, basic requirements, Sabin's formula, T is equal to 0.165V divided by summation AS or capital A. Then factors affecting its remedies in ultrasonic, audible range, then infrasonic waves, ultrasonic waves, its a range we have started. Then production methods, magnetorestriction and piezoelectric method. Afterwards, properties, detection methods, that is sensitive flame, Kunst tube, thermal detector, and piezoelectric. And last one is applications. This fourth one we have skipped as per syllabus reduction. Then wave optics, in that diffraction part, introduction, what is meant by diffraction, resolving power, what are Rayleigh's criteria, just resolved, well resolved and unresolved conditions, theory of diffraction grating, a plus b sin theta n is equal to n lambda equation, and its a resolving power, that is lambda by d lambda is equal to small n into capital N. Polarization part we have skipped for syllabus reduction. Then next point, laser. In laser, we have started with interaction of radiation with matter, that is stimulated absorption or absorption of radiation, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Next is population inversion, pumping, metastable state, different properties or characteristics. Helium neon gas laser, it's a construction and working, and holography, recording and reconstruction. Last one, of course, applications. These things we have checked. The next chapter we have discussed, that is optical fibers. In that introduction, what is meant by total internal reflection, it's a structure, core, cladding, coating. Derivation for acceptance angle, theta is equal to sine inverse of under root n1 square minus n2 square. Acceptance cone, that is 2 into acceptance angle. Numerical aperture, under root n1 square minus n2 square or n1 under root 2 delta. Fractional refractive index change, delta is equal to n1 minus n2 divided by n1. Then we have classified the optical fibers into single mode, multi-mode, step index and graded index. Last one is its advantages. And the last one we have completed, that is introduction to quantum mechanics and nanotechnology. In that we have started with de Broglie hypothesis, that the matter or particle also acts as a wave, that is matter wave. Then de Broglie wavelength matter in terms of kinetic energy, in terms of thermal equilibrium, its properties. Davison-Germer experiment, its a setup, investigation, analysis. Then nanotechnology, in that carbon nanotubes, it's a classification, that is zigzag, armchair and helical carbon nanotubes. And last one is different applications. Okay, so all these points we have covered in detail for all the related syllabus points. Is it okay? Are you getting this?
Yes.
ठीक आहे. तर आपण हे सगळे पॉईंट्स आहेत, तर ते ॲज पर सिलेबस रिडक्शन जेवढे पॉईंट्स आहेत तर तेवढे कव्हर केलेले आहेत. सो आय होप दॅट यू कॅन कंटिन्यू स्टडी विथ दिस. आता काही राईटअपशी रिलेटेड इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत ते लक्षात ठेवा. याचे सगळ्याचे असाइनमेंट्स तुम्ही कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत का? हॅव यू रिटन द
Yes.
असाइनमेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
I request all, it is very important thing to you for your internal marks, that is term work marks. Everyone complete the write up of assignment, and you can take, you can scan it, make it PDF, and you have to attach that when I will give you instruction, or CC will give you the link related to that. First thing. Second thing is practical write up. So practical write up we are providing to you. So you complete that write up also, scan it, make PDF, and you can attach that file. That is the second thing. So these two write-ups are there. I am telling the things in advance if it is remaining. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have time, you complete these write-ups. ठीक आहे. प्रत्येकाचे किती किती असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत? How many assignments you have completed? I think I am expecting up to 5th 6th you have to complete. Is it completed?
Yes, sir. सर शेवटच्या 2 राहिल्या.
हा ठीक आहे. तर शेवटचे 2 राहिलेत, तर त्या कंप्लीट करा. त्यातले काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. आता तुम्हाला मी असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चनची स्लाइड दाखवलेली, तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलेत, बरोबर आहेत का?
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे. तर त्यातले मी तुम्हाला एक थोडं कन्सेशन देतो की त्यातले बोल्ड केलेले क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते जर तुम्ही कंप्लीट केले तरी चालतील लास्टच्या 2 असाइनमेंटचे. ठीक आहे. इज इट ओके?
Yes.
हां, यू कॅन राईट
Yes,
द
sir.
bold marked questions for last 2. So you can skip 1 or 2 questions, no problem, but complete it. And I instruct all that it is important for the record of internal term works. That is the first thing. Then next, this screen is, just a minute, where is that? This slide is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone give response to me. 37 students have joined. I don't know
Yes.
why remaining have left. So all are requested to take screenshot of this table, as it includes all MCQs related to this 8th chapter for nano part. For nano part. And
टेबल कुठे दिसतोय?
is it visible?
सर टेबल दिसत नाही. स्लाइड दिसतीये.
सर ती पार्टिकल नेचर आणि वेव्ह नेचरची आहे, तो ती दिसते स्क्रीन.
एक मिनिट.
नेक्स्ट चॅप्टरचे.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So take screenshot for this of this table. This includes your all MCQs related to nano. So 3 types are there: vector conditions, angle conditions, and chirality or symmetry. Okay. So last time I'm requesting you and asking you, have you taken the screenshot of this? Screenshot घेतलेला का प्रत्येकानं?
Yes, sir.
कारण का आता काही स्टुडंट परत जॉईन व्हायला लागलेत. So take screenshot of this. Anyway, now the remaining point is the MCQ is this one. I have told you lambda is equal to h by p, or lambda is equal to h by mv. Then this value of lambda in terms of kinetic energy, and this value of lambda in terms of thermal equilibrium. So these are also possible MCQs. Okay. So here we have completed our engineering physics syllabus totally. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I declare here that we have successfully completed all the points regarding engineering physics syllabus, all the MCQs. So I am sharing you the MCQ sheet afterwards on our Telegram channel with answers. So you refer it, practice it, and For UT3 syllabus is fiber optics. For ISC3 syllabus is fiber optics 15 marks, laser 5 marks, diffraction 5 marks, and introduction of quantum mechanics and nanotechnology 5 marks. Total 30 marks. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So everyone prepare for this. So best of luck for you for your next exams. Anything you want to share?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your cooperation is very good one for division C. Students are good and you are giving response. Then you are completing the stipulated schedule structures, whatever we have discussed. So remaining UTs and ISC, give it confidently. And of course, final exam also, you can handle it perfectly, I hope. So best of luck once again to all of you. And we will conclude here. I request all you mark your attendance in the chat box.
Sir,
Properties of matter waves. Number 2, Davis and Germer experiment. So I can skip some of the things. Number 1, properties of matter waves. Number 2, Davis and Germer experiment. So these equations, all that parts are there. So you prepare this for MCQ. If you have not written, no problem. Just write properties, then Davis and Germer experiment in short. Have you written it?
sir, दोनोंच आहेत का?
Just I am adding. Then in nanotechnology, first classification. In classification, you can draw this figure or you can skip it, no problem. In classification, you go for this table. You write this table and prepare it. That is sufficient for me for preparation. Classification of carbon nanotubes. So these 3 questions are your assignment, last assignment. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I repeat that whatever I have bold, the things in assignment, you can complete it. That I will consider that assignment. I'm giving slight concession to you. So you concentrate on the study, complete the write-up of assignment and practical experiment journal. We will share you. You complete that and submit it. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you everyone. And we will conclude here. If I will get another lecture. So next lecture we will go for revision, no problem, or discussion. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thanks everyone. We will conclude here.